Ready to supercharge your Aisensy chats with eye-catching visuals and valuable documents. First, navigate to the Campaigns section in your Aisensy dashboard. This is where you'll be creating or editing the message that will include your media. Now, either create a new campaign or select an existing one you want to enhance with media within your chosen campaign. Find the message composition area where you type your text. Look for the media upload icon. It's usually represented by a paperclip or a small image icon. Click on it to open your device's file explorer. This will open a window allowing you to browse the files on your computer or device. Select the image, video, or document you want to upload. Once you've chosen your file, it will begin uploading to Aisensy. You'll typically see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Be patient, as larger files may take a little longer. After the upload is complete, the media file will appear within your message. You might be able to preview the image or video directly in the composer. Finally, once you're happy with your message and the included media, simply click the send button to deliver your enriched message to your audience, and that's it. Now you know how to upload media files in Aisensy. Start adding engaging content and comprehensive information to your chats today.